In this budget tracker template, you can record monthly income, needs, wanting, and savings through the Sidebar form. You can also set up a reminder in the Sidebar form, and you'll be notified via email for the approaching expense. Drop-down menu category and group type can be changed in the Settings tab. By adding expenses for the month, months will appear in the drop-down menu. Selecting the month will change the information. All the related expenses will be visible in Calendar tab by months. List tab will give the table where the expenses are recorded. At the end of each row, there is a static open and close drop-down menu. This will update the Dashboard tab, so you will know which expenses are open and which are closed by color. Same in Calendar tab. The expenses will be changed from open to closed. Hello everyone, I have created this budget tracker in Google Sheets. Top area include the buttons which will redirect tab to Calendar. Second button include the List tab. Settings tab, and last button open the Sidebar to record new expense. Category and group type drop-down menu can be updated in the Settings tab. In the budget field, you can add your budget and actual value, include the total expense amount. In the reminder date, you can add the date when you want to receive notification via email. In the Settings tab, you can customize email that you want to receive notifications. Notifications will be received in the email that the template pull automatically. You can change the currency, and you can change the category according to your needs. I have included word in the beginning of each category like N for needs, W for want, S for savings, and MI for monthly income. The currency can be switched in this drop-down menu. Changing the currency in drop-down menu will change every currency in Dashboard. Also, I have included drop-down menu to select the month. It will appear only the month that you add an expense, in my case, March. Let me add new expense for next month as an example. I will add new expense for April. When you select month in drop-down menu, you will notice also the April will be placed in the list. Next part of the dashboard is monthly income. Below I have included monthly expenses summary, giving the group, needs, wants, and savings goal according to actual monthly income, budget that I have for expenses, and actual value. I have included also the percentage breakdown for each group type. Goal for needs 50, want 30, and savings 20%. Also, how much do I have budget in percentage, and actual expenses in percent. Below is also the spark line for the open and close expenses, and also the donut chart with a percentage given between the total expense and close expenses. Main area donut chart. Include the breakdown percentage. Bar chart. Include monthly expense summary. Needs column chart. Include the expense budget and actual expense value. Second column chart. Include the want values. Budget versus actual value. Third chart. Include monthly savings. Budget versus actual savings. Tables below include today's reminder. Example, the group need have several expenses listed in the reminder for today's date. All those expenses can be viewed in this table, and also you can trigger to receive email for each expense separately. Those expenses are listed in the List tab, where you can find reminder date added through the Sidebar form. Changing the status from open to close it will remove the expense from the reminder list. Thanks for watching.